Good morning and welcome back to Your Financial Independence, where we're always trying to grow your financial independence. So today I got another video that's coming out. We're going over AMC stock. The stock, it's been super hype. It's around all the Wall Street bet movements. So today we're going to give you all basically my price prediction and why I'm giving you this price prediction. And then we're going to follow that up with some recent news and actually a movie that I went to AMC yesterday and watched. And some of the numbers, the millions of dollars that movie raised on the very first day, Sunday, that it got dropped out. So if you want daily stock market news, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. But without further ado, let's get into the content, why y'all came to this video. So basically how I got this price target from AMC, because none of us really know how high it's going to go, when it's going to reach its peak, and how far it's going to fall whenever we have people selling off. Nobody knows that. So the only data that I got was from GameStop, ticker symbol GME. Everybody else probably knows this that's watching this video. So basically, I think it was around $483 or so where the share price peaked at. So with that price in mind per share, I basically took the outstanding shares that they had, and it basically came out to about a $34 billion market valuation, which significant, was so much higher from where it actually started out before Wall Street Bets saw how much the shares were shorted. So to basically give you a small recap of that, GameStop had about 70 million outstanding shares that were on the market with a stock price of $483. You can do the quick math, and it's around about a $34 billion market cap. Now, AMC on the other side has about 450 million shares. So this is my price prediction. Go ahead and say it right here. $75. That's what I see it. If it does reach its peak, I'm not saying this is going to happen. It could start selling off tomorrow. It could be down 50% tomorrow. Basically, if you're investing in this, I hate to say it, and I hope people don't get mad at me for saying this, but it is a gamble. It can reward you in a major way, but really fundamentally, this stock does not deserve this market cap. But I understand why people are doing this. They're wanting to make a little short-term money. That way, just spend out, take vacation with the family, buy an item like a new vehicle or something like that, or take this money and make some quick gains on it, and then basically invest it into, more long-term or other stocks that they like. So if we take the outstanding shares of AMC stock, it's about 450 million. Then times that by a $75 price target, and that's going to put us in the ballpark of around $33.5 to $34 billion market cap, which is definitely doable. We saw that with GameStop, and AMC, I consider AMC a more long-term stock than GameStop. GameStop still has to change a lot of fundamentals around on their company, so that is my price target. That's what, if I had to randomly guess, I would say we might peak out at. Which is around $75 per share, which is still over 100% from where we are right here. I didn't look today at where it closed, but I would assume it's still around $30-something. But we have some news that came out about the company that I want to go ahead and share with y'all, because this company, yes, the pandemic has killed it a little bit, but it still has long-term fundamentals, and I don't see movie theaters going away anytime soon. So I saw this news whenever I was looking up AMC stock, and being that I went to the movie theater Sunday and watched this same movie, I thought the movie was actually pretty good, by the way, too. I figured this would be relevant to this video. So the movie theater chain AMC is raising $230.5 million through an 8.5 million share sale, cashing in on the meme stock frenzy that has sent the stock price up more than 1,100% this year. Sorry about that, my light just died over here. I still got these two, so hopefully it ain't that bad. So, John Krasinski's thriller sequel of A Quiet Place 2 opened on Memorial Day. By the way, thank y'all all that do serve. It was a great Memorial Day. So, on that Memorial Day weekend, to a pandemic best $48.4 million on the first day, on Sunday. That's how much revenue this movie brought in. So, people are going back to the movies. Like I'm saying, like movie theaters are not dead. And AMC, I feel like it does have a long-term bull cases scenario that might play out for it. There's a lot of pent-up demand for it. There's a lot of people that haven't been to the movie theaters in maybe like a year and a half or so. Now they want to come back. So it goes on to say, all of Hollywood was watching those numbers for hints about what is in store for the delayed summer movie season. So a lot of people are watching, a lot of investors, before they get into this stock, they're trying to see how much pent-up demand there really is, which I know. I'm pretty young, I'm 23, and I know a lot of my friends, like, we didn't really slow down going from the movies. We took our precautions and stuff like that, wore our mask, all the stuff we're supposed to do. But I know, especially for the older communities and stuff, that COVID affected more so. They were scared of this, which a lot of people were scared of this. So we're going to see a lot of pent-up demand coming back to the movies. And on the same note of that, basically you have basically a year and a half, because some of these movies, they were already made, ready to go, hit the box office, but then the pandemic hit, so they're not going to release this movie whenever they're basically spent millions of dollars making the movie, whenever there's not going to be any demand for the product. That's just business by itself. So we're going to see a lot of new movies roll out, a lot of very good, they put a lot of money into these movies, and I think they're going to be very good. So we're going to see a lot of demand coming back. So to go ahead and wrap this video up, I hope this gave a nice overview of why I put this price target on this stock of $75. Comment down below, tell me what y'all think it's going to hit. I know there's a lot of people, it's a touchy subject. There's either a lot of people like, oh, it's way too overvalued, or no, it's going to $1,000 or some crazy number like that, which nothing is impossible in the stock market, I will say that. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and make sure you see me back on tomorrow's video. We're going to be going over Planet 13's Q1 numbers that they just released. I hope y'all having a great day. See y'all.